Hello guys, welcome to the Secure Home Solution YouTube channel. So my name is Sahil. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the vulnerability name called insecure logging. So this vulnerabilities arise on Android applications as well as iOS applications too. So we are going to take a look how it's occur and how you can prevent it. So let's get start the video. So let's open my emulator. I'm going to test all these vulnerabilities on Diva. It's a vulnerable mobile application for testing purposes. Our Nox player is booting up. Let's wait for them. Now my Nox player is successfully booted up. So let's open the application, and as you can see the insecure logging option here. So we are going to test here. So let's connect our ADV first. So okay, for that we'll have to create our ADV. Let's connect it. ADV shell. Now we are successfully now connected with ADB shell. So now let's check the logs of our this. Let's check the logs. For checking logs, we'll have to do like we have checked the process ID of this particular package. So let's check out PS. As you know, our package name is Jakir Asim Diva. So let's copy this particular process ID. Now let's just grab this logcat with the help of logcat. Check the log and grab it. This command is going to do like this compatible checking for logs this particular process ID, okay, or grab filter this particular process ID's log, as you know. So let's click on checkout and hit enter. As you guys can see, like if I'm entering 23232323, when it's saying error, our log is generated on the backend. Let's look. So this one is this is called insecure logging. So let's check the logic behind it, how it's. Let's check the source code of that particular vulnerable application. So let's check. So now we'll have to check for this classes.dex file. So this is in dex format, so we don't have we can't like read this particular dex format. So we have to change this dex file into the jar file. So for that we are going to use dex d2j dex to jar. So let's use it. Or where is our application? Is our Diva desktop Diva. This one is successfully. As you guys can see, our file is now into a jar file. Now so we'll have to read this particular jar code. For that I'm using JDGY. So you can use JDX or whatever you can use for the to do decompiling this particular code. So I'm using JD for this particular. So as you guys can see, now we can read this particular dex file. So this is our package name. Okay, so now what we are doing, like we will have to see the log activity. Okay, right? So this one is our log activity. So as you guys can this read this particular code. So let's go for the key point. You guys, as you can see guys here, diva log error file processing the transaction on credit card. So this is the only logic behind this particular vulnerability. Okay, so thank you so much. So I hope you like the video. So thank you so much.